Good day and welcome to the Great White North, eh? Today's topic is snow. Oh, beauty topic, eh? So I'm getting ready to do some snow blowing here, and as you can see, snow is pretty deep. I'll just say here, I'll give you, oh here we go. There's the snow in my garbage cans. That's from today. We're easily over a foot. This is craziness, pure craziness. We haven't had snow like this in years. But I'm gonna fire up the old snow blower here and clean it out a little bit, even though it's still snowing. That's the less we gotta blow later. Oh, I gotta love it. Well, there's my trusty snow blower, and here's the level of snow compared to said snow blower. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I kind of feel like the abominable snowman. Just snow blowed my whole driveway, even though it's starting to look like you can't tell that I did it because the snow is still coming down pretty steadily. I'm guessing we're probably close to about 1.5 feet, maybe close to 2 feet already up here. This is crazy. This is nuts. But I thought I'd show you real quick a quick tour of my neighborhood. This is nuts. They plowed the streets when I got home, but they haven't plowed since then. And you can't even tell that they've been plowed. This is craziness. I'm guessing I probably won't be going to work tomorrow because it doesn't look like it's slowing down anytime soon. Look at my neighbor's house. Look at their cars. I don't think they've gone anywhere all day. Neighbor over there, her car's buried pretty good. But yeah, I cleaned it up the best I could. That guy over there, I'm sure he's making some good money today plowing. Cleaned all this up the best I could, and then I'm gonna go in and eat some dinner. Y'all have a good day. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go eat.